Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here with word games. Today's game is adjectives for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1. What time will the bus leave? If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. It's not the first bus. Last. What time will the last bus leave? We usually use it like this. The last bus, the last time, the last piece of cake. Number 2. This one you have to unscramble the letters. This means bright. It also means intelligent. And the middle letter is the A. Smart. Now you can read this one. Because I got the answer correct. Jennifer isn't rude. She is very. This means that she has very good manners. And the second missing letter is an L. Polite. She's very polite. She's not rude. Wow! Bob is dancing well. Are you? This means surprised. Amazed. Are you amazed? We are ready to go. Is Jennifer? This means, is Jennifer ready? Is she prepared? Set. Is Jennifer set? Do you think that what Bob did was... What Bob did here was probably not a good thing or a nice thing. It means, do you think it was on purpose? Do you think it was planned? Intentional. Do you think that what Bob did was intentional? Do you think he meant to do it? Sometimes we use software. This is from the computer world. This means the original code is free for anyone to use. Open source. Sometimes we use open source software. The tennis match was 5 hours long. The winner was Jennifer. This means happening after a long period of time or after a long process. Eventual. The eventual winner was Jennifer. Bob is clever and funny. We like his comments. This means he uses the language very well. And both of the missing letters are the same letter. Slowly, witty. But quickly, witty. We like his witty comments. This big new project is very. This means some people like it, but some people don't, and they argue very much. Controversial. This big new project is very controversial. In today's game, word number 1, last, is also a verb and an adverb in our program. And number 5, set, is also a noun and an irregular verb in our program. Game over. How did you do? Wow, that's a good score. I am amazed. My name is Vinny. See you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.